Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is currency, and in this basically we are discussing about the one ideas. And the ideas basically we are talking about one idea that is train track basically. This train track basically idea is basically of whole world basically also you can say, because entire world basically has created same way only basically. So this connects to entire world also basically you can say the world future of railway. Like this basically Mumbai city basically told that the government everybody is connected with the railway system basically, because they have one department that is called railway mantri, that is the rail minister basically. They basically know that which type of story basically this land is created, which doctors basically are handling the blood cells of the railway. That means the railway track basically, the railway system basically, the railway government basically, uh, they basically allocate the people basically, that these people you can take in the railway land sorry, the 120 planet creation, these people you can take. But they basically, the doctors group basically verifies whether he can fit into this or not basically. Like this basically they done the verification. Like this basically they done the verification, and they taken around 20 crore sorry, uh, 20 lakh people basically from Mumbai city basically, and few people basically from outside also, because in Mumbai basically outsider also basically joins the Mumbai city. Like this basically they have taken the data, and they basically literally created the blood cells, and created the blood cells on the base of certain cities creation and the area creation, and they basically created it basically. Like this they created it. Like this basically they created the future basically. Like this government told that okay basically we can basically create the planets on the ways of the human, that is the 20 lakh people, and few people basically we have taken from the outsider also. Like this they created the 120 planets, then basically they mapped the data through the satellites. Like this everything basically the government basically say that we know the story basically of this 20 lakh people, and the other people also basically, that which type of story basically is getting generated, getting generation to create this railway data basically. They have created, literally basically they created the story basically for 20 lakh people. You can just imagine basically the railway department basically was handling this 20 lakh people basically. Whatever the things basically were happening in their life, no, basically they have created it. So just imagine basically the dangerous thing here. Basically, this is not, that means railway department basically was controlling the future of the 20 lakh people basically. So just see basically, government also basically is supporting this all the thing basically. So government have to support na basically, because the system is already created by one group basically. Which group basically, that need to find basically which group has created. But they basically say that this is the only system here basically. This is the only system basically on the base of the creation has basically happened. On the base of this creation basically has happened. Like this they created the system, they created everything, and like this basically each and everything basically has done basically. Like this each and every creation basically has done also basically. So just imagine basically the things basically which has all this, everything is already happened basically. This everything is already happened. So that's why basically government told that basically to that rich person basically to give the control to you basically, that is not possible. We can't play with the Mumbai 5 crore people basically who are staying in Mumbai, because if you will take the control of this railway basically, it might possible that some other basically data, that is the buildings data basically might be connected with this 120 planets basically. Then that means chaining system basically. So it will affect the entire Mumbai, or basically which type of thing basically you are talking about that. He told that basically we can't take the risk of entire Mumbai city basically, just for your verification purpose basically, just to verify basically thing basically, we can't take the entire risk of entire Mumbai city basically. That government literally directly told to that rich person basically. And government basically say that basically we are very rich, basically we are getting the tax, we are getting the money from each and every department, so we are basically richer than you basically. So government basically say that basically we have full power basically, power than the rich people, power than basically they got the power basically more than the rich people basically. So like this basically that person basically has not got the control basically, and he basically told that basically, but I want to know basically. He was basically ego person basically. So this everything basically we have discussed, right? So he created Mars plan. Sorry, he basically jumped into the Mars like this. Each and everything basically created. He invested lots of money. Then he thought that basically let me stay in the Mars only basically. He was previously basically staying in 15 days here, 15 days there, in Earth Mumbai. Like at last basically shifted to the Mumbai only. Sorry, the to the Mars only basically from Mumbai city, because he was insulted basically by the Mumbai government basically. Like this basically he shifted to the Mars planet permanently, not temporary, permanently he shifted. Because government told that basically, sorry yaar, we can't give you the control basically. Sorry boss, we can't give you the control of the railway track basically yaar basically, because 120 crore, sorry 120 not crore basically, 120 planets basically has created, and if by chance basically you take the control of that 120 crore planet from the satellite basically, by chance assume that basically that train data basically, that is the pressure data of the train basically, that is connected with buildings, and then the buildings data basically are connected with set of shopping malls, everything basically from land, and last the chain was connected with the sea water. Then basically the building will fall down, then with the lots of incidents will happen, the vehicle will fall down, the land will basically get literally gets earthquakes, sea water will come inside the Mumbai city. Then who will be responsible for this here basically? You will take the responsibility. You will take the responsibility. Like this government told that sorry, we can't take the responsibility. Like this they have not given the control to that particular rich person. They told that basically we can't take the risk of the entire Mumbai city here basically, because by chance the data basically of satellite basically you shift, you basically taken off means you broke, you basically done the break of connection basically between the um, you basically cut the connection basically. You cut the connection of satellite and the railway track and the train basically from the satellite. Then basically the, if by chance the main control basically was happening from the satellite, then basically the train will basically will literally will fall, will literally will get down basically from the track. So that will be created, and by chance that train system basically was connected with the buildings, each and every buildings, then basically the building will fall here basically. Then basically the trees, each and every things basically, and the sea water, literally basically it will convert to the earthquakes basically. Not only this basically, but entire world basically I'm talking about. Entire world basically is created like this only basically, the chaining system basically, and this everything is done also. So basically it's very sensitive, and basically we can't give the control to the rich people. Sorry, basically that one rich person basically I'm talking about, not entire rich people basically. We can't give the control here basically. We can't give the control to the rich people of the railway basically. Like this basically he created the Mars, and then basically whatever things basically you want to give, you want to take basically, then he basically taken from the Mars plan basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.